start a new aircraft tomorrow afternoon, I reckon.
Helicopter, right?
Yes, sir.
Apache or Chinook?
Apaches. For now.
Not
Yeah.
for now, till they tell you where you need to go else.
Yeah. We just picked up a new contract down in Huntsville, Alabama for the B-22s, the Ospreys.
Right.
So I guess we're retrofitting those things with. I don't know what we're doing with those, but we picked that contract up. Got a contract from Saudi, Germany, and we just finished one in South Korea. So.
Nice. Hi guys, Dr. David Warwick, Warwick Chiropractic in Lacey, Olympia, Washington, and we have Albert here. Albert, true story, slept on the recliner, tweaked his back, sleeping on the recliner. You know, recliners are for old guys.
Right.
So, you know, like the lazy boys. He's from Texas, all the way up from Texas. Originally Philippines, all right?
Yes, sir.
Born and raised there?
Moved to Texas when I was 5 from the Philippines, and now I'm here in Washington.
Yeah.
Doing aircraft work.
Awesome. All right, we're going to do some good adjusting with this guy. When did I see you last? Last week? Or was it the week before?
It was last week, sir.
All right, you can see the difference in the leg length right here, and look at the difference that happens. So obviously misalignment into the pelvis area, mainly the right side. So we're going to open up some of this joint right through here. I want you to lay on the left side, face me this way. What city in Texas?
I was raised in a small rural town called Turnersville, Texas.
Now, what big city is that closest to?
The biggest city is Waco, Texas, about an hour away.
There it is.
That's a good one.
Other way. So you saw me bring them to quite a bit of tension on that side and opening up that SI joint. When guys are doing any mechanics, bending over, hard labor, those are the joints that tend to get affected the most before the lower lumbar spine. Good.
Yeah.
On your back.
Yes, sir.
Family's okay in Texas from the hurricane?
They, by the grace of God.
Sometimes that's all you have.
Isn't it though?
Breath in and out. Good. So he has been forbidden to sleep on recliners. In fact, he's moved that away, I believe.
I'm back in the gym though, so.
That's what we wanted. That was one of our goals.
Oh yeah.
So when I do the traction, as you heard right there, nice big pop and crack.
Yeah.
That affects right into the hip, into the SI joint. So a lot of times people feel the hip joint open up here as well as the SI joint. You know, when he's doing those kind of physical labor throughout the day, that really affects the lower back. Let's have you sit up and actually face this way for me this time. Good, I want you to bend the elbow for me. Drop it down. Good. Other one. Good. Drop your head down. Thank you. Good. Anything to share with anyone?
Well,
what's your experience like?
Huh?
Yeah. What was your experience like?
Here with Mr. Warwick, I mean, there's a reason why I keep coming back.
It's helped.
Absolutely. So before I was sleeping in the recliner, I was at the gym. Then that stopped everything, halted everything from the gym, and now I'm still keeping it a little bit light. But I think 225 to 300 is back in the goals again.
Maybe we could have all of Texas here.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
All right. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm Dr.
Thank you,
David
guys.
Warwick from
Albert Wolf.
Warwick Chiropractic in Lacey, Olympia, Washington. See you later. Bye-bye.